Magnetic can openers are handy kitchen tools that make opening cans effortless and quick. There are many products available to choose magnetic can openers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best magnetic can openers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kitchendo Magnetic Bottle. The Kitchendo Magnetic Bottle and Can Opener is a 2-in-1 opener that easily opens pop-top beer and soda bottles. Made of premium stainless steel, this can tapper is durable and super sharp. The built-in magnet allows it to stick to your refrigerator for easy storage, and the magnetic cap catcher prevents you from having to collect caps by hand. This can punch opener is designed to last a lifetime with extra contouring to ensure it stays in place under the lip of the can. Number 2. Can Opener Manual with Magnet. The Kibali Can Opener is designed for effortless use. Its magnetic feature allows you to remove lids without touching them, keeping your hands clean and safe from sharp edges. With an easy operation mechanism, you simply lock it onto the can, twist the knob, and let it do the work for you. The handles are larger and sturdier, providing a comfortable grip and making the opening process feel natural. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this can opener promises durability and longevity, ensuring it will be a reliable tool in your kitchen for years to come. Number 3. Can Opener Manual Heavy Duty. The Yuhai Manual Can Opener is designed for effortless can opening, making it perfect for anyone, especially seniors. Its solid steel construction ensures it lasts for years, providing reliable performance. You'll appreciate the smooth-turning gear mechanism that minimizes effort while maximizing convenience, so you can easily open any can. The comfortable cushion grips fit your fingers perfectly, allowing for easy handling, while the oversized knob makes turning a breeze. Plus, safety is prioritized with smooth edges to prevent cuts and a magnetic lid lifter that keeps lids away from your food, ensuring a hygienic experience. Number 4. Yuhai Handheld Can Opener Manual Heavy Duty. The Yuhai Manual Can Opener is designed to make your can opening experience effortless. Its high-carbon steel blade ensures a smooth cut, allowing you to easily open cans of any size without struggle. The soft, non-slip grip provides comfort and control, even if your hands are wet. With an oversized knob, turning the opener is a breeze, making it suitable for everyone. Plus, the built-in magnet lifter helps you safely remove the lid after opening, eliminating any mess. This can opener is a practical addition to your kitchen tools. Number 5. Ultrablade Pro Auto Stop Can Opener. The CanSlab Can Opener is designed for ease and efficiency in the kitchen. Its one-touch operation simplifies the process of opening cans, allowing you to focus on other cooking tasks while it works. With an auto shut-off feature, you won't have to worry about overusing the device. The USB rechargeable battery can handle around 120 cans, making it a more cost-effective choice than traditional battery-operated openers. Additionally, the side-cut technology ensures a smooth edge on the lid, enhancing safety and preventing food contamination. This can opener is perfect for anyone, especially seniors or those with arthritis, looking for a convenient kitchen tool.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.